At the initial software release, the GoLogicXL supported 9 serial bus types. These types are I2C, SPI, which is also microwire, UART, which includes RS-232, 422, and so forth, raw bitstreams, CAN, LIN, one-wire, I2S, and SPI Multi-IO. The online manual gives full details on each serial bus type, plus any others which may have been added after this video was made. All serial bus types have common setup options which include the bus name, the source data, one or more channel connections, and color assignments for protocol fields. Each bus can be given a meaningful name, which is useful when several buses of the same type are captured together. The source data allows the trace or reference data to be associated with the serial bus definition. This option allows two different data captures to be compared side by side as serial bus data in the WaveForm window. Simply define two buses and set one to trace data and the other bus to reference data. A baud rate must be selected for CAN, LIN, and UART bus types, none of which use a clock signal. Capture a small test trace and measure a single bit to set the baud rate exactly as possible. Each bit's time value can also be entered in the bit time edit box, which then automatically sets the correct baud rate. Alternatively, you can select a commonly used baud rate from the baud rate combination list box or type a custom value there. Baud rates which stray too far from the entered baud, especially for long bursts of data, will cause serial conversion and triggering problems. The GoLogicXL does not support changing or varying baud rates. All other bus types use a clock signal to define when the data signals are latched. The I2C bus always latches the data signal on the clock's rising edge, so no clock edge list box is needed. But I2S, SPI, and raw bitstreams can vary which clock edge latches the data signals, so these bus types provide a clock edge list box. Choose the desired clock edge option from this list box. CAN, LIN, UART, and raw bitstreams do not strictly define a physical layer, so these bus types also provide a logic type option in case your signals are inverted. The I2S, SPI, UART, and raw bitstream bus types do not have a fixed standard for how many bits exist in each data value. Therefore, these bus types provide a width edit box and support data containing 2 bits up to 64 bits per value. The order the serial bits arrive can also be reversed for these bus types. A bit order list box is provided. The SPI Multi-IO, I2S, and raw bitstream bus types have a clock period edit box. This allows the conversion software to ignore glitches and noise on the clock signal. These buses may not provide a way to synchronize with the bus, so the trigger hardware in serial bus conversion must look for an inactive period between packets to synchronize. This is the second reason for an accurate clock period value to be entered. The software can tell how much time passes before a valid inactive period exists on the bus. The remaining serial bus setup values are specific to each bus type and are covered in the next video.